Hello and welcome to the Techy Grandparent. In this video, we'll be showing you how to set up your Roku TV so you can start streaming your favorite shows and movies right away. Let's get started. Make sure that your TV is turned on and the correct input is selected. Connect your Roku TV to your home Wi-Fi network. On your Roku TV remote, press the Home button. Then, select Settings, Network, Wireless, Wi-Fi, Set up new wireless connection. Follow the on-screen instructions to select your home Wi-Fi network and enter your password. Create a Roku account. You'll need a Roku account to add channels, purchase content, and access your streaming history. Go to Roku's website and create an account by providing your personal information and payment information. Add channels to your Roku TV. There are over 500,000 movies and TV episodes available to stream on the Roku channel store. To add channels, press the Home button on your remote, select Streaming Channels, and then select a channel you want to add. Start streaming. Once you've set up your Roku TV and added channels, you're ready to start streaming. Select a channel from the home screen, sign in with your credentials, and start watching. And that's it. Now that you know how to set up your Roku TV, you can enjoy endless hours of entertainment right in your own home. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tech tutorials for seniors. Thanks for watching.